Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be covering an interface demo of Azure OpenAI, and this is a very important video guys. Before we get started, please ensure that you have subscribed my channel. I see a lot of you are watching the videos but not subscribing it. So please subscribe guys. So guys, let's just get started. So first of all, this is how your Azure window is going to look like. Let's click on Azure OpenAI. So yes guys, you need to create a Azure OpenAI resource, but for the time being, I have one created. I'll just get started with it. So now, whenever you want to build any application, right? Whenever this interface page opens up, you can go to keys and endpoint. So the first thing that you need to know is that from here you can generate your API keys, and this is your endpoint. Now this is going to help you. Let's say you want to consume OpenAI models from Azure and you want to build out a layer of SaaS on top of it. So this is where the credentials are, and there are the credentials are stored at multiple places as well. So first of all guys, let's just click on explore AI Foundry portal. So this is how guys a portal will open up. Now I'll make sure that you're familiar with the interface. If you're seeing it for the first time, it might be a little overwhelming, but it is not. Let's just cover the entire thing. So guys, this is the home screen. Here are your API keys. Here are your endpoints, and yeah, that's pretty much an important thing to know for the home screen. Then let's go to the model catalog. So here guys, are you able to see that there are so many models available, right? So here you can choose whichever model you want to generate, right? Whichever model you want to use, you can use it. There are so many. These are all OpenAI models, right? So as I said, OpenAI and Azure have a partnership. All OpenAI models are available on Azure, and here you can directly start consuming it. Now guys, let's just go to the chat interface. Here you are able to see this is Azure OpenAI service, and it like is a subset of Azure AI Foundry only. Now guys, this is the chat playground. So what is this chat playground does? So here guys, you can chat with multiple models. So let's say you want to chat with 4O Mini, right? So you can type, hi, how are you? So let's just try to see. Okay, this is okay. So here if I'll just send the message, I hope no issue comes. But here, are you able to see guys, it was able to give me a response. From here I can select models. For you this area would be empty because we haven't deployed any model, so that's there. But yeah, this is a chat interface. Here you can test multiple models, and guys, if you want to deploy any model, just click on deploy as a web app. Right there things would get deployed as well over the cloud as well, and anyone on the internet can use it, right? So there are few parameters and as well. We'll talk about all these. Now let's just click on assistance. Now assistance is a great feature guys. It helps you build assistants, right? So if you're able to see that once you are able to build assistants, now the problem is what is assistant, right? So guys, see what is Azure OpenAI saying is Azure OpenAI service assistance allows you to create AI assistants tailored to your needs through custom instructions and augmented by advanced tools like code interpreter and custom functions. That means guys, here you can do code interpreter. That means in the API only you will have access to a code interpreter which will run the code and give you output back, and same way you can run some custom functions. So custom functions means you can write your business logics in Python, and then this service is gonna call them or consume them, right? Simple. Now guys, they have real-time audio as well. So guys, as your I mean OpenAI has GPT-4o real-time audio preview model is there, and even GPT-4o mini audio is there. So yeah, you can get started with that as well. Then guys, for images, there is DALI, so you can use DALI to, let's say you want to do anything, let's say generate a image of a robot dancing in rain in India. So guys, I hope it will be able to generate an image. So yeah, that's the case that you can consume the images from here as well. So guys, you are able to see this is a very natural interface, nothing so great about it. But yeah, a good interface walkthrough is important for the general understanding of the tool. And yes guys, it's taking a little more time. So image generation models are relatively slow, and mostly guys, sometimes even their GPUs are busy. So yeah, it's not it's not so good, but yeah, it's a good image to start with. Oh wow. So yeah, that's the case. Now if you look at completion, so completions is going to help you generate models which do completions. I don't think I think most modern people, or like not modern people, more modern tech stacks use chat models. I think completions were used in a little previous context. Now I don't see anyone using it. Then guys, we can fine tune our models as well. So you can just fine tune our model. We just need to ensure the fact that our data is ready. Fine tuning can be done here itself only, guys. Then we have Azure OpenAI service evaluation, that is assess and compare AI application performances. That's one. Then guys, we have stored completions as well. So it's just gonna help you evaluate your fine-tune models. And then guys, you have batch jobs as well, so that if you want to run any service via batch API, that means a large scale request you want to send, you can do it here as well. Then guys, you have matrix as well, that what is the total request, what is the total token count, and what is the POM token count, everything you are able to see. So yeah, that's pretty much there. You can get a good data over here as well. Then guys comes the deployment pane. So let's say you want to deploy a model. So just click on deploy model, deploy base model, and whichever model you wish to deploy, guys, let's just try to see is GPT 4.5 preview available. For us, it's okay. This is locked. So let's just try to maybe generate this one. So only thing you need to do is, guys, just click on deploy. So guys, this is how simple it is to deploy an OpenAI model in Azure. I think in 1 to 2 minutes you will have a model. And let's say you want to open this in Playground, you can open it, and yeah, you can pretty much chat with it as well. So yeah, so there is the case. You can consume this model as well. Maybe in real time audio you'll be able to see or not. Real time audio. So yeah, I'll just have to see that what are the region configurations. But yeah, real time audio is also available. And then guys, the next thing is quota. So this is an important thing which you need to know, guys. Usually we are assigned a specific quota, and if you consume it, then you have to request more quota from Azure. So for every model there is a specific quota. So like for GPT-4o, like there is this much quota available. This is TPM, means tokens per minute, but yeah, that's there. Then guys, there is safety plus security. So what I was telling you guys is, whenever you have OpenAI models, right, Azure has added a layer of security and safety on top of it. So let's say you want to change that layer of safety and security, you can just click on this plus icon and create your own safety and security content as well. The next thing is, guys, data files. So if you wish to add any data, right, so see what it is, that you will be able to use this, the fact that if you want your assistant API to essentially use add data feature, it can use that as well. That means you'll be able to add files over here, and in real time only your API is going to query these files and give response. The same thing as vector stores as well, right? So they give you the ability to essentially, vector store objects gives the file search tool the ability to search through your files. So yes guys, that's pretty much it. There are some features in preview as well, but yeah, that's a good demo for the interface. And yes guys, we'll be continuing alongside, we'll be creating some interesting applications and ensuring that you get very much familiarized with the Azure ecosystem of AI services. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's just catch up in the next lecture.